Welcome back, everyone. This video is 8 months in the making because that suppressor just came back yesterday. I submitted the form for February 23rd of 23 and just got it back October 4th of 2023. It's a 2 tax stamp gun. It's an SBR. It came with everything you see here, except for the action magazine that I bought. It only came with one 10-round magazine, and I bought the rest. Cleaning kit, scope ring, and that was at the Picatinny in the back. So let's put it together and see what it looks like. Here it is. There's the suppressor. I got a 10 round, 20 round, and a 30 round magazine. The one in there right now is a 20 round magazine. There was a thread protector on it. I just took it off. Now we go on. Let's see how it looked with different size magazine. That's a 10 round that came with a gun. And here's a 30 round. Not bad. Of course, you can adjust the bipod a little higher, but still perfect. I just found out something that other video on YouTube does not show. If B&T see this, they need to correct it. When you fold the stock and you push all the way in, the mag gonna drop. That's could be a problem, but then again, you don't shoot when your stock is folded. So when you fold the stock and you slap it in, your magazine drop. Well, here's another view from the left side. save these selector over here. Save, fire. Here's how it look disassembled. I have not decided on what kind of scope I put on here yet. It has to be a nice one since it's a very expensive toys. Sure don't want to put a vortex or something cheap on it. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching.